Everybody has its own rhythm of driving around here. Check out this one, man. Whoa, shit. We leave Çanakkale and move forward to Bursa. We are choosing the fastest way in order not to lose too much time. We have 271 kilometers. We're gonna follow the road D200. Here the behavior of the drivers is totally unpredictable. This guy just stopped on the pedestrian walkway, then get back. Everybody has its own rhythm of driving around here. I can imagine what we can expect in Istanbul. Check out this one, man. Whoa, shit. What the hell? He thought it's a pedestrian, but on a motorcycle. Check out, for example, this guy. He's actually moving from a line to another with no purpose. Now he's driving on the middle of the road. We are approaching Bursa. We have about 9 kilometers left. The road was somehow boring on this D200, this European road. But now we are approaching the city. Perhaps we will encounter more traffic. They don't even go out of the car to fix something. They just take it. Look how simple it is. Very simple. Now we'll move inside this elevator, which will take us to the parking place. That guy over there, it's selling garlic, and he's making a commercial about selling garlic. As you could observe, there are two separate entrances, one for the men, one for the women, one for the visitors. You have to take your shoes off when you enter. It's a special atmosphere. Just behind me, it's Kozahan, another attraction here from Bursa. Good morning from Bursa. We are heading toward the Uludağ mountain to admire the city from the top. There is a nice road about 38 kilometers from Bursa, from our hotel. And from this part starts our climbing to Uludağ. The view from these buildings are quite impressive. The people which are staying here are very lucky to be able to observe the city from the top. These houses are placed in layers which are actually going on the top. The hill is quite steep, so extra attention it's required. It's really steep and narrow, and the surface is not perfect. Dada. I hope this road is not like that until the end. It's really impressively steep. Oh, poate e ăsta, da. I think maybe we have chosen the difficult part from the beginning of the road. Just to make an idea of how much we've climbed in a couple of minutes, just take a look at this panorama. So we climbed just a couple of minutes on that very steep road, and check out the view from the top over here, and we are not even started. So this is the beauty of this place. On the beginning of the road you'll find some restaurants, some places to stay and admire the landscape. Also you can eat, but we don't have time for that. We need to climb until the top. The road surface it's far by being flat. Now the road surface it's getting better and better. It's getting colder and colder, 14 Celsius at the moment. Wow, no way, man. Wow, I'm totally speechless. We have to say goodbye to this wonderful place. Highly recommend it. You cannot miss it if you're coming here in Bursa or you are close to this place. You must come here and check out this amazing panorama over the city of Bursa, Uludağ mountain, and this terrace over here. It's highly recommended. So now we are moving to another special place to see one of the oldest trees, platans. It has more than 650 years old. It has 3 meters width and over 35 meters high. It's an amazing tree which we're gonna visit right now. And check out this 650 years old platan. Wow, this is an amazing place. So age 610, height 37 meters, crown diameter
1000 years,
53 meters.